How to delete Facebook account but keep Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to delete Facebook account but keep Messenger. So let's begin. So the good news is whenever you delete your Facebook account, your Messenger will not be affected. So go ahead and delete your Facebook account the right way or just the normal way. So to do that, you may now go to Facebook, go to menu found on the lower right corner of the screen, scroll down and go to settings and privacy and click on settings and then go to personal and account information right here. And go to account ownership on control, wait for it to load, and click on deactivation and deletion. So once you click on that, I think it will ask you then to deactivate your account or to delete your account. So you may click on delete account and then go to continue to account deletion. You may also choose or see relevant informations right here and then click on continue to account deletion. And then right here, you may choose to deactivate the account of your messenger or not. So if you don't want to change the settings or the status of your messenger, then don't click anything right here. So then read all of these and then click on delete account right here. So once you deleted your Facebook account, you may still use your messenger. However, I think your profile picture will be white or the default profile picture, which is the person icon only. So whenever someone stalks you on Facebook, then they may not be able to see your profile. However, they can still message you and also you can still message them as well. So that's it. That's how you can delete Facebook account but keep Messenger. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.